What's going on, guys? Adam Moose here. Welcome back to another video, Moving Away Fishing. And today we're back on the Invincible with the old Bradmeister, and we're dealing yellowfins. We just got into a crazy drift. You guys see it all going down. Nice to skipjack your life. Couple nice yellows, nice blackfin. We got the boys. Let's go. We got Trimeister. And we're dealing. Let's dive right in the video. Ryan's got him on.
Adam, come back with rod holder. Everyone sit down, rod holder. Not a bad one.
Little guy, but we'll start him off with it. Ew.
Rubber bands are here somewhere?
Right, color boy.
Still there. He's still there.
Is he?
Yeah.
Tight.
Oh, I got picked up too.
Get him. There you go. Oh, you call that one. You go, ah, Mikey, Mike. You tight, Dan?
Let him swallow it.
Damn, that's a decent one.
That's a lot of stuff. Not a giant, but decent.
The head shakes are decent, yeah.
The yellowfin. Chunks did it, baby. Chunks did it. Were you tight on a chunk?
No, but I just threw some out.
Dude, that was such a cluster. That was such a cluster. I don't even know what I did there to make that happen. You ate it and just laid there with
Yeah,
it.
dude, you got so lucky. You would have been freaking 0 for 2 on rods today. No, you got smoked.
I'm still there.
Oh, yeah, you still got a bait. Not big.
Mine now, 20 pounder. Still, probably a yellowfin.
Yeah.
You know?
He's not bad, dude.
It's like the right color. Better than the first one. Yeah. Oh my god, Adam, are you fucking crazy?
Oh.
Just don't reach down on it, let him air out. Yeah. Nice hook set. Oh, yeah.
Very petite. Yeah, very petite hook set. Let him lay on it organically. That's good for now. They look so sick when they first come in the boat, and then after that it looked like poop.
Yeah.
I just got smoked.
Dude, what the rock?
Yeah. Oh my god. Dude, because it was a weird bite and I got sketched.
Look at this bite. There we go.
Got him? I missed mine. I cooked mine so bad. I hook set.
Oh my god. Dude, what? Ryan's tight too. Oh my god. Covered up. We're in the front too, baby. Throw some bait. Go ahead. You're good. My bad. Did you get bit?
You got him, Dan?
Throw some bait. Throw some liveys. They're all behind the boat. I got it, Adam. Did I just... Oh my god, what is happening with this fish? Did you see him? He turned around. Yes, sir. Bait up front. I might have a decent fish on.
Hey, you might. Did you pull yours off?
Dude, my fish came in and was just eating everything. It like me up and didn't even swim off. You got me halfway down the spool.
Dude, I blew that. Oh my god, I just got smoked.
At the boat.
Right there, as I was going to let it out.
Giant just aired out behind the boat.
Really? Oh my god, did you see that bite? Oh my god, did you see that bite?
Holy.
Did you see him just crush it?
He's eating baits. Oh, dude, I got a real fish on. I hate this. Who wants to fight a real one?
Shut up, bro. I just got crunched, bro. Literally, right, Dylan, fish a bait like 2 feet behind the boat, bro.
All of our rods being fished right now. Everything's fish.
All right. You should get right. Did you throw hook him?
You're halfway down in the spool already.
You don't fight light or hard drag. There's no sharks. Mine's not bad.
Dude, I'm telling you, his is like 50 plus, I bet.
Yeah?
Annihilated.
Mine whacked it.
He hasn't gained an inch.
Mine whacked it. I went to put, like, I was going to like start like letting out my hand. He whacked it, picked it up, and he came back for it. It was sick. Look at this.
Holy like that.
Mine ain't bad, 30 pounder.
Yours is bigger than that. Dude, you need those wind drop butts right now.
Yeah, we do.
You're just leaving them.
I know. Hey, Brad, I don't want to curse myself, but could you imagine not getting sharked? Must be nice. Right now we'd be in the channel like this.
I'd be freaking out in the channel right now. Like, fight your fish. You don't know how it goes. You don't have anything to worry about.
Come back here, Dylan. I'm gonna go up front. His is scoping back here. Just come back. Mine's sliding up pretty good. Ew!
Get him, boy.
I'm getting them. I'm getting them. Oh, I got leader right here.
Adam's that leader. Oh, big Rusty. Big Rusty.
Yeah. He ain't bad.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. Good fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. I'm gonna get on your side.
Nice.
God, I'm gonna pull it out of my hand, dude.
Ew. We'll take that one.
Tried to headshot him. Nice. Where's he hook? Corner.
Corner.
Right in the corner on the corner.
Ew.
Yeah.
Little throat poppage. Dylan, how big do you think that fish is?
I think 60 pounds, 70 pounds.
What? I'm gonna whip out the camera. All right, guys, we switched up the tactics a little bit today. We were doing a little bit of trolling, and then we had the fish come right through our spread, so we set up some live baits, and we all got bit. We got Brad again on the boat. Dylan behind me.
What's up?
Trident's tight. Ride dog back there, and the old Dan Meister up front.
The old Dan Meister.
The old Dan Meister. Trident's tight on a nice one.
60 pounder.
Whoa.
Meatball,
Dylan.
meatball.
Think
Big
so?
expectations. Big expectations.
Trident's like this right now.
You know what that means? Right there, the rod.
Dang, that head shake was gnar. Yeah, that's a decent fish. It was sick. Ryan's got the nicest tuna of his life. Nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
leader. Leader. I have no idea how big this thing is.
He's decent. He's a good one. He's 40 pounds.
Go behind the line. Do not go in front. Over the head. Over the head. Easy, easy, easy.
Let him slide.
Bro,
Whoa,
go
whoa,
way ahead.
whoa, let him slide.
Whoa, chill.
Whoa.
Yo, you go over every
what,
time.
What in the Nantucket?
What was that?
Dehook him. What in the worldwide sports? Dude, he choked the hook. Did he? Wait, hold him up, Trident. I mean Dylan, or whoever. Hold him up again.
Big, dude. That thing has so many chunks of Belchers in it right now. Let him eat like 3 after he ate mine.
So sick. We're gonna get baits back out. Should get bit. Fish are right behind us. I don't like fishing off the left side. We're the right side.
Yeah, we are right side. No wonder they're not biting. Yeah, happened last time.
It did.
You can't walk off if you're in tight drag.
They boiled right behind the boat. That was so epic. Did you get bit? We're gonna get bit. There's literally no chance.
Boom, done.
That was crazy. That was a big
sick.
fish.
That thing somersaulted.
My bait just geeked. Oh, the one just blew up behind us. Big fish. Big one.
I got bit.
You did? Get him. Let him poop it. Got him, Dan? Dan's on. Oh, you lost him? Wow, Ryan.
Ryan's got him all. I'm 8.
I'm 8. Oh my God! Oh my God! That was so crazy! Dump the well! Dump the well! Oh my God, we're quadded up! Ew! That was a giant. Are you kidding me? We're quad. Oh my God! Yo, I got a giant. Bro, I'm getting dumped. Do you see this? I'm getting dumped. That was insane.
That was nuts.
Dude, I have a stud. Dude, he hasn't stopped running.
Yeah, I don't know what the bird eye is, but...
Oh, right there! Right there, right there. Throw a couple more baits out. You're about to get wrecked.
I'm coming, I got you.
You want to go off the bow for me?
Go to the bow, go to the bow, go to the bow. Fish out on the bow. I don't know if you fish on the bow. You should go, oh, let me go one more. Can you come out? Oh, I know that there.
Still a nice one. Is that a blackfin?
Straight down.
It's a decent blackfin. 15 pounder. I have a yellowfin.
Yeah, no doubt. Oh yeah, that was quick.
Oh, you just got wrecked. Get him. You. Uh-huh. It's instant, Dylan. You're gonna get wrecked.
Chunks back there. There's fish everywhere. Nice and yellow. Chunks, keep the chunks. I'm tight.
Okay, well,
Literally, yeah.
it's instant. Ryan, throw a couple chunks. Perfect. Nice. My fish has got to be decent, dude.
Yeah, down the you got money? Right there.
Ryan, you're about to get wrecked. Oh my God, it's wide open, dude. What is that one doing? Those head shakes are crazy. Dude, I can. Yo, mine's coming straight up. Oh my God, this is so sick.
You're over. Yep, you guys are
Did you get swiped that right there? Oh wait, Brad, let me come under you.
Be careful here. Under you.
I'm over you, I'm over.
Talk to me back here. If you come up, I'll come back there and fish him. Talk to me.
I just went over both of you two, I think.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, so he's not that big, he's 40. Yo, I got you right here.
Yeah, walk back. You're good, Adam. This is a nice fish. Good fish, Adam.
I got, no, don't touch the line. Go. Good stuff. 40 pounder. He's 35, he's thick. That was sick, dude. Oh, there's just a blackfin, but that was still sick.
Oh my God.
Dude, he just literally aired out right there. I'm getting all this on footage. Dude, I don't know. I got Ryan tight in the back. I got Dan tight, Brad tight. I just put a nice one in the boat. Oh,
Bro, they all black.
Holy smokes, that's a good blackfin though. That's a 25 pounder.
Dude, 25?
That might be 30.
Okay.
Look at the size.
Dude.
Wait, hold him up, Dan. Hold him up. That's a big one. Hold him up for the camera.
Got him.
Yoo! They're still eating around the boat.
Oh my God, look at how you caught him. He's lassoed.
Hold him up.
He's
oh my God, he
lassoed.
is.
I'll retie you. I got your rod.
Hold it up for the GoPro. And then throw him back. We don't like blackfin. Ew! Oh, I just got...
Nice fish. Nice fish. Another good one.
Another real good one, Dan.
Chip out. Chip out. Chip out. Get out. You're good. You're good. You're good. You don't have a shark with you. There's no shark yet.
He's not hooked too good either. Looks like he's hooked on the top of the lip.
Okay, hold on.
I just got wrecked. Right there.
Blowing up behind the boat. I pulled the I pulled the Oh my God, he's leaking bad. There's a giant hole in him.
Instant. Trying, you've been sussy on the gaff.
Dude, I pulled through on him. He has a hole in his head.
Oh, we're both get him.
Dude, look at the hole on the other side of his head. Nice fish too.
Good job, boys.
That was all you. I just got him out.
The shark ate my pilchard, bro. Ryan's tight. Brad Meister's tight.
Yeah, buddy.
You got a good one or what?
Full size one.
Give me some.
Up.
You feeling them, boys.
Yo, pop it, Adam.
This is insanity.
Let's get those things and put them somewhere else.
Yeah, these things suck. I'm gonna put a deep bait on next. We did?
Yeah, they're either pushed down past 200.
Dan just got a bite.
Like that bite. He baited.
Sliding easy.
We're not marking them.
Yeah, he is. Ah, you son of a... Oh my God, right! Oh my God, that was so sick! Oh my God! Dude, reset your bait! Oh my God! He boiled on it. Yo, I'm gonna throw some baits.
Reset this bait?
Yeah, dude, he just boiled on Ryan's bait right there. Giant fish. Dude, fish your bait. That was insane.
My fish is like 7.
He's doing laps.
Yeah, your fish is 60 for sure. He's
Just a little.
perfect, perfect.
Make sure you're all the way on the button, otherwise it'll throw you. Head and shoulders on it, man.
Yeah, that's a thick ass fish.
Nice fish.
Back up a little bit so I can slide both ways. Rod tip down, rod tip down.
One on the side. Stay on that side. Oh, get him, Adam. There you go. One gaffer. Oh, yeah. Let's go, baby. Woo! Woo, baby.
It's a sick fish. I wanted that gaff shot really bad.
Nice fish.
That's sick. Hold him up,
On
dude.
the YOLO, baby. Everyone's like, yeah, let's go, boys. Let's go. I'm like, hold on. Let me see your filter down. Where's it?
Where is Gills? Giant.
Giant.
It's a 50 for sure.
Look at him. Look at that butterball. Definitely a good one. Shit's ready. And Ryan had a nice one, but
Yeah, he had a
something
stud.
happened. Ryan, did you see him go down seat?
Little bleeder boy.
Little Lika. You hit him right in the brain, obviously. What?
Yeah, he didn't move. I stuck him in the brain.
Stuck him in
Look,
the brain, he didn't move.
that's gonna be a good eater.
Nothing shows good.
God, my back is shot, dude. I feel like I'm 85 years old.
On Julius's boat, we have the reel belt.
This is a good one.
Oh, it's like straps around you. You
Yeah.
can literally just use it as a seat.
You got to get that, Brad, for fishing up here. The belt that you can sit in. It has like a...
Smoke the deep
Like a
bait.
butt harness kind of deal.
It clips to the 2 clips on that, and it has a thing that goes around your butt, so you can just sit back on it, and the rod keeps you up.
A lot of
2
he
triggers
doesn't need
now.
that for this
Yeah.
15-pound yellowfin he's got.
Brad, are you kidding me? The disrespect I get is unreal. You don't have to go all the way. I'm gonna bring him right to you.
Nice fish. What do you mean? That's a nice one.
I'm gonna slide him to you. Don't take a stupid gaff shot. No, one more slide.
I'm waiting.
There you go.
Got it right there. Nice fish.
Oh, he's bigger than I thought. Oh, look how sick.
Let's go.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Right now, right here.
Squirt
A little bit squirted,
Jesus,
boy. Right in the corner. Look at the hook. Bing! Just like that. So you gotta stay tight on it, boys. Throwing this
tight.
Tom Johnnery in the cooler. It's a sick fish.
Meet your friend, meet your brother, meet your maker.
Get your brother, boy.
See you later. Wait a minute, the box too full to even fit him in there.
All right, you guys, I hooked that fish on a deep bait. I had him down like 200 feet. We've had the same school of fish with us for probably about 2 hours now. They keep coming up and down. I hooked my fish when it was down at like 200-300, and then it brought the other fish up. Dan's hooked up. Ryan got a bite, Dylan got a bite, we missed him. I'm gonna send another deep bait out, see what happens.
Wait, you're above strike. You're above strike. Watch out.
You're super tight.
I know, dude. I set the hook on him. I've never not fished
You
before.
don't need to set the hook. You're fishing circle hooks.
I thought you did it on accident. I just saw you slide it all the way up.
No, I just got a Yumbo.
All these fish that you hook down deep, look, he's probably gonna be a nice one. He doesn't even.
Dude, I have a giant.
Here he goes.
Yo, am I recording?
30 seconds, yeah. We're really close to each other, Adam.
Look at his dead weight.
No, it's not.
Look at the head shake.
No,
Bro,
it's not.
most aggressive head shakes in my life.
Yeah, he's a nice one. I have
Mm,
to go under you.
it feels crazy.
Get up to the front, Adam, so Dylan can have room. Dylan, get up away from the motors. Both of you walk forward together.
I'm worried about these other
I
lines.
got you. Dude, come on, Adam.
You're good.
Let's go. The fish is right there. Oh my God, he's not a good job.
Oh, he's a 60 pounder.
Yeah,
What?
You're perfect. You're good. You're good.
He's a
you're
60
good.
pounder.
What are we doing?
Same size as my fish. That's
I'm gonna
sick.
lose him though.
No, you're not. No, you're not. In the tunnel. In the tunnel. Back hurts.
Right here.
Yeah. Nope.
Man, I wish we would've
Don't go
moved.
back there. Don't go back there. Don't go back there. Just let him turn around.
He's gonna keep spinning.
Yep, you're good.
One more slide.
Yep, I'm not going over there.
Come on this side,
You
dude.
gotta come this way.
Oh, dude, are you kidding me? You could stick him right here.
He's gonna come out right inside.
Let him break. Let him break. Chill. He's dead, dude. Just...
Oh my God.
Good one.
That one's sexy.
They're getting bigger. We gotta get down the bottom and throw some of those little ones.
Hold on, let me hold this.
Not yet.
Look at the hook. Watch this. Watch this. Ready? Watch this. Slacken it for 1 second. Hook goes. Oh, never.
Hook more?
Yeah.
This is a giant!
Where are the birds
I'm
at?
gonna give him the throw
Get
pop.
back
Hold
on
on.
him.
Throw pop him right now. Right in my mouth. Where is he? Right.
Dude, what, is he not that much of a bleeder? What's good with that?
I got it.
He's not a bleeder. What? Look at tuna doesn't bleed.
Nice fish. Yeah.
So sick.
No,
Ryan's tight.
oh, you're trying to fish out?
Brad Meister's tight.
Yeah, buddy.
Ew! You got a good one or what?
Full size one.
Give me some.
Up.
Ew! Stealing them, boys.
Yo, pop it, Adam.
This is insanity.
Under, you have a
Rod
fish there?
tip. Rod tip.
Just flip that shit. Here, I'll wrap up. You got it?
No, no, I can't on this rod, dude. Not even close. Shh.
Oh, dude, this gaff is so slippery. Oh, I can't. Oh my God, you just got it.
Ah.
Hold on, chill. Let him get sideways. Oh my God.
I don't really care if I just stick him anywhere in the world. I don't want to fight this little.
Let me get the black gaff. That thing, I would literally just drop it. You got it?
Yo, 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 yo.
Let him go. Let him
Go, 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 go.
No.
Who cares?
Good.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. I got it, I got it. Coming under you?
Don't reach, don't reach.
Not. Oh.
Barking or what? Whoa!
Let's go, baby!
Yeah.
Let's go, man.
This is unreal.
They are literally everywhere right now. Where's the net? Small fish? Any small ones? Like here. Smaller.
There you go.
Can you get his head in there? Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. This rat. Wait, put his head down there. You got room right there. You can probably fit head down from there. Hold on. Yeah, you got him. Push it.
All right, boys, we absolutely crushed. We got our limited yellowfins, which is 18, and we are headed to the house. And we still got a live well full of bait. We had him eating literally 10 feet from the boat. It was insane. What do you boys got to say about that?
I don't know, it sucks that we gotta leave, but we got a box full of fish. Couldn't fit anymore.
Yeah, box full of fish. We got our
completely
limit,
maxed out.
so we're maxed out. Bunch of ice. We gotta leave some for you recreational boys, so we're headed home. All right, boys, it's the next day. We're at the house. Ryan's on the boat, unloading fish. Look at these giants. Wheel them up to his house. We crushed them, boys. Crushed them. Moving weight right now. Serious amounts of weight. It's being moved. Whew. See you later. What's up, folks? We are back at the house here. That trip was actually from a couple weeks ago, and I made a bunch of videos since. We've been so backed up on videos, which is a good thing because we love to have content. We're sitting on content in case, you know, the weather's blowing like this. I actually got back from the Bahamas yesterday on a completely different trip, filmed so many videos. It's been a great summer so far, and I'm super excited to take you guys along with me. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that right now. Go ahead down below, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the post notification bell so it notifies you when I do post a new video, and drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. That was, I know I keep saying this, but the trips keep getting better. That was probably the best yellowfin bite we've ever seen. And I caught finally a real one. He was 55 pounds gutted. So he was probably close to 60 when we caught him. They got a lot of guts. But with that being said, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're still sticking around, drop a comment. Let me know if you watched the entire video and if you like the entire video, because I want to know, you know. One more announcement. I don't even know what I'm saying. Moving weight fishing t-shirts. Here's the design. If you guys have not already purchased one, we have the Pompano, and we also got some Snook ones. We are running a little sale on these. You can save 10% off using code MOVINWEIGHT10. Website link down below, movinweightfishing.com. Please purchase one. It helps support the channel. If you can't, I completely understand. Stay tuned. We got epic content. Epic content coming up. This is a little motivation for you guys. Never give up on your dreams, baby. Till next time, Moving Weights out.